Hello nail friends, with you is Mariana on channel Nail Business. In today's video I will show you how to do gel application without top filing. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, I highly recommend you to click that button because every week is coming new educational video tutorials which will help you to boost your business. As usual, I'm starting with a wood stick to push back the cuticle and to open the pockets, because exactly this is the secret for clean manicure, a nice open clean pockets. Also, many times I saw comments under my video where someone will say you should not trim the cuticle because it's not safe. Everything is safe and it's okay if you do it properly. Actually, I think those comments is coming from those nail technicians who are not able to do a clean manicure. Probably they are jealous. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this manicure technique, and if you feeling confident to trim the cuticle using a scissor or a nipper. For product application, I will need an acid-free primer, rubber base, and cover cream. Actually, to do product application without top filing, what you need a self-leveling builder gel, which will do the job for you. And also, a big advantage for Egoista builder gel is doesn't have a burning sensation. I have applied primer, then a thin layer of rubber base. I have cured it on a lamp for 30 seconds. Now it's time for nail plate alignment. Step number 1, I'm applying a thin layer of builder gel. I don't cure, make sure you cover the side holes. Now I'm taking a bigger amount of the product and I'm placing on apex zone. Now using the brush, very light pressure, I'm covering first left sinus, then right sinus. I'm then stretching in circular motion the product to the free edge, and I don't push the product to the side holes too much. I'm using a liner brush and I help the product to spread. So I want to have a minimum product amount at free edge on side holes. By applying the gel this way, you don't need to do any top filing. Imagine no dust on your table and everything is much faster. You just need to use the right builder gels. For color, I'm using a black gel polish. In the first layer, I help myself with the thin liner brush to cover the gel closer to the cuticle. In the second layer, I don't do this step anymore, so just on one layer. You can do on the first one or second layer. Apply the gel polishes in 2 thin layers and cure in a lamp for 30 seconds. As design, I'm drawing kind of French closer to the cuticle, and I seal everything with matte top coat, and I cure in a lamp for 1 minute. For decor, I will use these metal triangles which I was having on my drawer for a very long time, and actually no, I didn't use it very often. To seal them, I will need the crystal gel. This is a crystal gel from Egoista. It's like thick viscosity, hard gel, but doesn't have dispersion layer, and it's a guarantee that all the crystals will stay for 3-4 weeks. My nail friends, hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great nail day and see you next week on another video tutorial.